How do you find your goldmine area to invest in property? Well, one simple strategy is to follow the big boys. Where are the big boys putting their money into property? You go there, you pitch up your tent there, and you follow their coattails. Very, very simple. In this video, I'll set out where the big boys are putting their money into real estate, and so you can go there too. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon. We put out 3 videos a week, all dedicated to keeping you on top of your property investing game. So one thing I always like to do is to look out for what large-scale developers are doing and where they're putting their money. And large developers always track big infrastructure projects. The last time we saw this happen was with Crossrail, of course, where basically stations around the new Elizabeth line saw a massive uptick in investment activity. Official figures say that that's happening too with HS2. Now, it doesn't matter what you think about HS2, of course, it's a colossal waste of taxpayers' money, but it's happening, and there are 2 brand new stations opening up in Birmingham. So there's one station at Solihull and a depot at Washwood Heath. Now, within a 1.5-mile radius of these 2 stations, what they've found is that planning applications have gone up by 2/3. For a mixture of commercial, warehousing, and also residential units. Planning applications for residential homes within a 1.5-mile radius of these 2 new stations has actually gone up 5-fold. Planning applications for 55,000 new dwellings have been submitted within the 1.5-mile radius of these 2 new stations. That's compared with just 10,000 new homes applied for before the HS2 was confirmed. That's it for this video. Don't go away without subscribing and hitting the bell icon, and I'll see you guys in the next video. The Baker Street Property Meet is the UK's largest and #1 property investors networking event. The property market is going through monumental change right now, and at Baker Street Property Meet we aim to keep you up to date with the latest tips and tricks and insider tactics to help you keep on top of your property investing game and succeed in these troubled economic times. The Baker Street Property Meet is fundamentally about networking, because it's not what you know, it's who you know. And at Baker Street we aim to connect you with the people to make your property journey a monumental success. There's no better place to be to further your property investment journey than the Baker Street Property Meet. So make sure you're here, you're connecting with myself and Andrew Roberts, our expert guest speakers, and 300 passionate property people each and every month. See you at the next meet. Get your spot at bakerstreetpropertymeet.com.